GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Govi, a vernacular edutech brand, skilling everyone everywhere. Remax, my device, my life. Coming soon.
How much are you charging for Khatro Ke Khiladi?
Oh no!
Who are you dating? No. Who are you dating?
Oh, when I are just good friends.
Oh really? आप सारे सवाल dodge करने में बहुत माहिर हो.
Who's the least favorite contestant who's going this year?
You and Priyanka were completely at each other.
Yeah.
Has your equation become better?
Yaar, I haven't met her or spoken to her.
Who is the contestant you think you will have like a fight with?
A fight with? Maybe Charlene only because he's the only one I know.
Hello. I'm here with Nimrit and we are gonna play this amazing segment called Dare or Bear. So you're going to do a lot of tasks on Khatro Ke Khiladi.
And I'm going to bear?
And I think मतलब इतना जो amazing सा transformation है, how many kilos have you lost and how?
A lot. But I realized that it is not so much about the kilos on the scale and more to do with what your fat percentage and what your muscle percentage.
So how much did you lose?
So I went from a 33% fat percentage to I'm at a 15.8 fat percentage.
Wow.
Okay, which is
More
of an
than half,
athlete.
yeah.
And my muscle rate is like 70 something.
Oh wow.
So I've छोटू सा price.
That.
Yeah.
But muscles से ज़्यादा आपको यहाँ पे सवालों के जवाब देने पड़ेंगे.
Bring it.
बहुत ही तीखे सवाल होंगे और अगर जवाब नहीं दिया तो you also get to ask me. So it's one each. But you please be kind.
If you're kind to me, I'll be very kind to you.
Okay.
If you're not,
I'm not kind. I'm not gonna be kind to you. I want you to have all of that.
literally say for the heck of it. It's not even like.
But I'm kind to you in general. I really love you. You know that. So my first question.
Okay.
How much are you charging for Khatro Ke Khiladi?
Oh no!
Why do you think I'm doing it? It must be a decent figure.
No, I need the figure.
Next
You're having a
question.
milk tea.
Yeah.
और थोड़ा सा खाना पड़ेगा. Oh my god. ये मिर्ची नहीं दे सकते यार. मिर्ची तो खा ले रही है. Next time we'll put you onto that. Your question.
What's your body count?
My body count is very low.
Tell
Terribly
us.
low. 1, 2, 2, 3.
Don't BS.
Please.
Don't BS. I don't buy this. Guys, you guys
please,
buy this.
Behind the camera, there's a friend
Such
of
a
mine.
pretty
Can I tell
guy.
you something? आज के ज़माने में ना, first of all, I'm not a hookup person.
Same.
ठीक है? और people who are looking for commitment, they actually don't attract the right people. And I don't think that good happens only to good people. We are living in a world where I don't think that people like me find it too easy to find partners. And I would not be with somebody till I feel that that person is going to be my partner. So the body count is actually 3.
Basically, guys, he's available. Call him.
You're good.
I have to
मैंने
set you up
answer
with
कर
someone.
दिया. You have to. Huh? Let's
will.
see.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Now I'm
Talking
gonna be up to
about
this.
setting you up. Who are you dating? No.
What do you
ये
mean?
Who are you
Okay.
dating?
Listen, you have tea on everyone, but we don't need tea for the world yet.
Listen, but you know that the world already knows it.
So bad.
Yeah, it's really bad. All the best. But the world already knows it.
Do they? I don't know. Oh, when I are just good friends.
Oh really? आप सारे सवाल dodge करने में बहुत माहिर हो. Next.
Nice one. Nice.
Next one. Your turn.
Okay, tell me, who is the person that you're rooting for in my season, and you have to pick a favorite.
I'm
You
rooting for you.
better. Please look
I'm
at.
rooting for you.
Okay, thanks. I just need
You're
it.
a buddy and I am a staunch loyalist, as you know.
Yes.
I have come today only for you. And let me also tell you that every other interview till now has happened with Rashita, but I was very sure that this interview I am doing. So now you know that.
Appreciate it. Fine.
ये तो पता ही था.
Nahi, I wanted this on record.
camera? Okay.
Yes, I needed this on record.
But you
so that I
better
can
make
hold
me
it.
really proud. एकदम जाके सबको खतरों में डाल के खुद आ जाना खिलाड़ी बन के.
Yeah, for sure.
बस.
Yeah.
My question to you.
Be nice, huh? It's a very nice one.
Yeah. That.
I asked
I
you.
have asked you. Okay. Who's that one journalist that you've hated giving an interview to because of maybe how they asked you a question or how they put you on a spot?
I think putting you on a spot is something that like a lot of people do, and I think they are. I think the world in general is so unkind.
Yeah.
They don't even realize it. I can't say the name, but there is this one. Okay, let me not say a person in particular, but there are certain portals that I tend to not willingly interview for because I don't like when it's all negative.
Like,
You know?
give an example. What?
Okay, so maybe when you go to their portal, you will only find negative stories or journalism. Could be you, anyone.
सबके बारे में.
सबके बारे में. There's always tea. There is always controversial, and it always seems like क्या सब बुरे हैं क्या?
No, but I'm saying, what's been the most uncomfortable interview for you? Like, has anybody like made you like feel like, oh God, I wish this interview ended or I walked out, but you couldn't, of course.
A couple of them, yeah. But I feel like I think that's also part of the job. I've kind of gotten used to it. But if I don't feel the energy, I will not interview with you again. That's one thing that I've...
That is true. That I know. That I know.
Yeah, like I don't want to, because it's so important to share a certain warmth
Yeah.
and mutual respect. And if you haven't reached that point in your relationship, then don't. Because
Yeah.
then you are being unfair to each other. And I
That
don't
is
like
true.
that.
I agree.
Yeah.
I appreciate you that. Good answer. Next one. Although I will take the name after.
After
मैंने
this, we have
छोड़
to
दिया.
take it.
मैंने छोड़ दिया इधर. नाम तो लिया नहीं, but ठीक है. बताइए.
Who's the least favorite contestant who's going this year? Come on, just say it. You always want me to be all ballsy, like go for it.
I do have a name.
I know you do, which is why you have to say it now.
No.
Oh, really? Say it.
No. जो मुझे गालियाँ ये बाप.
Oh my god, it looks like a snake. And that sounded wrong. Please chop that off. Come on, Yanan.
I didn't answer. I've taken मैंने मिर्ची डाल दी.
Yeah, ठीक है. Oh, what is this? It's not that tikha.
It is very tikha. Who is the contestant you think you will have like a fight with?
A fight with
Or an
anybody?
argument? No. Then you have to say. You will name one.
A fight
Who you
with.
think like, oh God, this person's vibe I don't think will match with mine.
See, I'll be honest. I don't know anybody except for Shireen because invariably I knew him, right? So
Oh, but you have to take a name.
maybe Charlene only because he's the only one I know. So let's just take his name. Charlene.
Oh, ऐसे हो free fund में नाम ले लो.
I
ऐसा
don't
नहीं
know
चलता.
anybody else. Yet.
You have the guts.
Guts.
I also
got-
told you the name of my least favorite contestant and I took a mirchi.
Fine, I'll just. Can I have the mirchi?
Yeah, please. Actually, this is too bad. Because next you will ask me some question and I'll not answer, and then you'll ask me to have them up. I'll have mirchi only.
Okay. Why did I take such a big piece? I didn't need to.
I have no clue why you
Let
did.
me just say it's the same person that you have similar thoughts on, and I think it's going to be that.
But just be very careful.
Very, very.
Okay, we are not naming it. But please, guys, don't guess. Also, your guys' guesses are wrong. Actually, you will not
Yeah.
understand. Your question.
I'm thinking, you came prepared with all your questions.
No, I didn't. I swear I didn't. I was only prepared on the second question, which anyone would ask.
Okay. Can you tell us who you're dating?
I'm not dating anybody.
Who was your ex? Tell us something about.
My ex was this person who decided to leave me and leave me stranded on my birthday last year, if I can just say that. And I hope that person never sees me even on the street, because then I'm going to slap that person for sure.
Oh, okay.
And all my friends hate you. And I love my friends.
And that was very unkind what you did to Dan.
On the show, Big Boss, you and Priyanka were completely at each other.
Yeah.
Has your equation become better once you guys were off the show? Like, what is your what is the status right now?
Yaar, I haven't met her or spoken to her, but there is no animosity, not from my side, and I don't think it's the same.
I agree.
Yeah, you know, there is no. I'm happy that she's doing well, and that's pretty much it. Like there is no yaar, raat kahi baat kahi.
I know that. That's why I asked, because a lot of people actually keep pitting both of you, and
it's
you know,
like-
both of you I know, and I have never heard one word against each other from.
Actually, I feel,
Both of
you know,
you.
honestly, when you, I feel like it's so nice to see everyone doing well.
Yeah.
You know, obviously, I'm not in touch with a lot of people, but the fact that I keep seeing and you keep hearing stuff, I'm just happy, not just for her, but a lot of people, you know, in general, who are at it, going at their pace, and everybody should do nice.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Appreciate you that. Last question, which you have to ask me.
Let's make it spicy. So, if there would, you know, if you had to choose a prop from the Khatron Ke Khiladi set for some funsies, what would you choose?
Prop.
Yeah.
Like give option. What prop?
Handcuffs.
Handcuffs कहाँ होता है खतरों की खिलाड़ी में?
Handcuffs बांधते हैं वो लोग. Handcuffs. Tied up with ropes.
Ew.
Would you want to be in that
You will not
body
be-
bag?
Listen,
In
but
that
you will
body
not
bag.
believe that I don't like all of this, which is why possibly my body count is very.
Shut up, drink this then. Drink
Drink.
it. You will have to drink it. I've had one. You're giving a very bad answer then. I'm very disappointed in him. He thinks he gets all the tea out, but look at him and he's on the other side. You deserve it.
Oh, this is the worst thing ever.
A moment of silence.
But thank you so much.
This was so
all the
great.
best. You are actually one of the sweetest, and you will definitely know that I'm here rooting for you, because genuinely, like you said, that we've reached a stage where there's so much warmth
Yeah.
that I know that you always wish me well, and I know that you know that I'll always wish you well.
Same.
So thank you so much for
It
doing
was
this.
such a
All the best.
pleasure.
All the best.
And I'm going to keep calling you and telling you what's happening.
Yes, you have to tell me.
Yeah, done. Hey guys, this is Nimrat Kaur Ahluwalia and you're watching me on Galata India.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Govi, a vernacular edutech brand, skilling everyone everywhere. Remax, my device, my life. Coming soon.